Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Thumbtack to manage contractor bids faster. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To manage contractor bids faster on Thumbtack, start by navigating to the Thumbtack website or opening the app. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up option. Once logged in, go to the home page. Look for the search bar, where you can enter the type of service you need. Type in the specific service, like plumbing or landscaping, and hit enter. After the search results load, filter the options according to your needs. You can narrow down results by location, price, and availability. Once you find a contractor that looks promising, click on their profile to view details. Review their ratings, reviews, and past project photos to determine if they're a good fit. If you're interested in multiple contractors, note their profiles for comparison. Next, return to the main search results. Look for the Get Started button to initiate the bidding process. Select the services you need and fill out the necessary details about your project. Specify your budget and timeline to help contractors understand your requirements. After submitting, stay updated by checking your notifications for bids from interested contractors. Once you receive bids, read through each one carefully. Compare the offers based on price, expertise, and customer feedback. Select your preferred contractor by clicking Hire or sending a message. For quicker future reference, consider subscribing to Thumbtack's premium features. This will allow you to manage bids more efficiently and get priority responses. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your subscription process. Finally, enjoy the streamlined experience of managing contractor bids with your new subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.